Hello guys, it's me, Sir Dan Apostol. In this video, we are going to discuss the area of composite figures. So kung makikita natin itong mga figures natin dito sa baba, these are examples of composite figures. So let's define what is a composite figure. Composite figures are figures that consist of two or more geometric shapes. So what are those geometric shapes? Example ay mga triangle, square, rectangle, trapezoid, and so on. So like this figure. So in this figure, ito ay considered as composite figure because it is composed of triangle, square, and a half circle or semi-circle. So how to get the area of these composite figures? So para makuha yung area ng composite figure, divide the shape into the simple shape. So katulad kanina, yung figure natin, dinivide natin into triangle, square, and semicircle. Then, find the areas of each. So, kunin natin yung area ng bawat shape doon, like the triangle, the square, and yung semicircle. And add or subtract them. So, example nating figure dito is this one. This is composed of two geometric figures which are the square and the rectangle. So, para makuha natin yung area nito, kukunin muna natin yung area ng square. Then, kukunin yung area ng rectangle. Then, after that, since magkasama sila at pinagdugtong, ang gagawin natin dyan is to add the areas of square and rectangle. Then that is the area of this figure. Sometimes ang given natin ganito, square, may inscribed na triangle. So ang pinapahanap dito yung shaded figure. Pag ganito naman yung given natin, kukunin pa rin natin yung area ng square and also area of the triangle. Then para makuha tong shaded region, iso-subtract lang natin yung area ng square sa area ng triangle. So makukuha na natin yung area ng shaded region. So let us solve this example. Find the area of the figure. So we have this figure. So ang sukat nito mula dito hanggang dito ay 38 meters. And this one is 20 meters. And dito hanggang dito 70 meters. And from here to here 4 meters. Let us find the area of this figure. Siyempre, first is to divide this into the basic shapes or yung geometric shapes natin. So first we have here the rectangle. So hanapin muna natin yung area ng rectangle. So what is the formula in finding the area of rectangle? That is area is equal to length times width. So ang length natin dito ay etong 38 meters. And ang width natin dito ay yung 20 meters. Therefore that is 38 meters times 20 meters. Then 38 times 20, that is 760. Kaya naging meter square yan. Meters times meters, that is meter square. Then, this is the area of the rectangle. So, meron na tayong area ng rectangle. Hanapin natin yung isa pang shape na bumubuo na itong figure, which is the triangle. Now, hanapin natin yung area ng triangle. And the formula for the area of the triangle is area is equal to base times height divided by 2 or 1/2 base times height. So in this example, ito yung height natin and ito yung base natin. Paano ba natin ma-identify or makukuha yung measurement ng base and height? So punta muna tayo sa base. So alam natin itong buong to mula dito hanggang dito ay 70 meters. And mula dito hanggang dito, yan ay kaparehas nitong measurement nito. So 38. So para makuha to, iso-subtract lang natin yung 70 sa 38. So 70 minus 38, that is 32 meters. So yung base natin ay 32 meters. And paano natin nakuha yung height? So eto, mula dito hanggang dito, that is 20 meters. Then may additional na 4 para makuha yung buong height ng triangle. So 20 plus 4, that is 24 meters. So kaya yung base natin ay 32 and yung height natin is 24. Then divided by 2. 32 times 24, that is 768 divided by 2. So ang area natin ay 384 meter squared. So meron na tayong area ng rectangle and area of triangle. Now para makuha natin yung buong area ng ating figure, just add the area of the rectangle and area of the triangle. So that is 760 square meter plus 384 square meter. The area of the figure is 1,144 square meter. So ganun lang kadali hanapin yung area ng composite figure. Example number 2. Find the area of the shaded region. So yung hahanapin natin dito sa figure natin, etong may shade na yellow. So in this given, ang mga geometric shapes natin dito ay triangle and semicircle na naka-inscribe sa triangle. So para mahanap yung area ng shaded region, hanapin muna natin yung area ng mga geometric shapes. So first, let us find the area of the triangle. So that is, area is equal to base times height divided by 2. Yung base natin dito, etong 17 centimeters, and yung height natin yung 42 centimeters. So substitute natin, that is 17 centimeters times 42 centimeters divided by 2. And yung product netong dalawang to ay 714 divided by 2, that is 357 square centimeters. So kaya naging ang unit na natin dito ay square centimeters because centimeter times centimeter, that is square centimeters. Next is to find the area of the semicircle. Yan. So the area of semicircle is, yung formula na gagamitin natin ay area is equal to pi r squared divided by 2. Kung mapapansin natin, etong numerator natin, this is the formula in finding the area of the circle. Since semicircle siya, kalahati ng circle, kaya dinivide natin sa 2. And take note na gagamitin nating value for pi is 3.14. So, substitute natin, yung pi is 3.14. And yung radius natin dito, since ang diameter ay 8 centimeters, and yung radius ay kalahati ng diameter, therefore, ang radius natin ay 4 centimeters. Then, square. Then, simplify natin. So, simplify muna natin itong ating may exponent. So, that is 4 centimeters times 4 centimeters. That is 16 square centimeters. Then, multiply sa 3.14 divided by 2. So, ang product nito ay 50.24 square centimeters. Then, divided by 2, ang area ng semicircle ay 25.12 square centimeters. Nakuha na natin yung area ng triangle and area of semicircle. Para makuha yung area ng shaded region, isusubtract lang natin yung mga areas. So that is 357 square centimeters minus 25.12 square centimeters. And the area of shaded region is 331.88 square centimeters. Next, example number 3. Find the area of the shaded region. So again, meron tayo ditong geometric shape which is square, and inscribed naman siya ng circle. And this side ng square ay 6 lang. So 6. So the same process, kunin natin yung area ng bawat geometric shapes. So first, let us find the area of the square. And the area of the square is S square or S times S or side times side or side square. Then yung side natin dito ay 6. So therefore that is 6 square and 6 square is 36. 6 times 6, 36. Kaya ang area ng square ay 36. Then let us find the area of the circle. And yung formula natin for the area of the circle is pi r square. Then again, yung pi natin is 3.14. And para mahanap yung radius, kung makikita natin dito na yung side na to ay equal sa diameter ng circle. So this is also 6. Then kalahati ng 6 ay 3. Kaya ang radius natin ay 3. So that is 3.14 times 3 square. Then 3 square is 9 times 3.14. So ang area ng ating circle ay 28.26. Then para mahanap again yung shaded region, isusubtract lang natin yung mga areas. So 36 minus 28.26, the area of the shaded region is 7.74. So ganun lang kadali hanapin yung area ng mga composite shaded region. Example number 4. Find the area of the figure. So ito yung figure natin. In this figure, sineparate na natin siya sa triangle and semicircle. So yung triangle natin merong base na 22 and may height na 16. And yung semicircle, yung diameter niya ay 22. So first, let us find the area of the triangle. So the formula is base times height divided by 2. Then substitute natin, yung base natin ay 22 times the height which is 16 divided by 2. Ang product nito ay 352 divided by 2. So yung area ng ating triangle ay 176. So nakuha na natin yung area ng triangle. Let us now find the area of the semicircle. So yung area ng semicircle ay pi r squared. Then yung pi natin is 3.14. Then yung radius natin dito is the half of the diameter. So yung 22 yung diameter, then yung half niya ay 11. Therefore yung radius natin ay 11. So 3.14 times 11 square. Simplify natin itong 11 square, that is 11 times 11, so we have 121. Times 3.14 divided by 2. Then yung product nito nung 3.14 and 121 ay 379.94. Then divided by 2. So yung area ng semicircle ay 189.97. Then to solve for the area of the region or etong area ng figure natin, i-add lang natin yung mga areas. So that is 176 plus 189.97. So the area of the figure is 365.97. So ganun lang kadali hanapin yung mga areas of composite figure. I hope natuto kayo sa ating video. Thank you for watching and see you on our next upload. God bless to all of you.